Do watch out for airspace issues. So far we've talked about boundary identification issues in connection with the surface of the land. But what happens if the client wants to undertake development? Evidently, you can claim adverse possession of airspace. Watch out for landlord redevelopment in connection with residential long leases and all the problems that that can bring. And also be careful with regard to subsurface development. It might be appropriate to scope your retainer in a resi transaction to say, I will be giving you advice generally concerning boundaries relating to the surface, but not giving you advice concerning airspace or subterranean development, assuming either is being contemplated. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop there and introduce my dear friend Joe Douglas from Land Registry. Joe, a very good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for your patience. And over to you, if I may, with regard to you and your colleagues' views relating to some of the boundary issues I've explored and the Land Registry's guidance in that connection. So over to you, my friend. Thanks, Joe.
The aim of our presentation is to help you reduce the number of requisitions that we send you in relation to boundaries and plans, but also to give you an insight into our procedures in regards to boundaries and plans. Just to give you some stats, in the last 12 months, we've received more than 4.3 million applications and 19% required a requisition. So if we can help you avoid a requisition, that's what we want to do, as these can delay the conveyancing process and cost you time and money as well. In terms of what we're looking at, we'll be covering the basis of HM Land Registry title plans. We'll look more into our general boundaries rule, basic plan requirements, and as I said, we'll be taking your questions